Guys, watch this. I just hit the Madden world record for longest field goal. 72 yards. Proof right there. Instant replay. Zoom out. Zoom out. Bam. Right through the uprights, baby. Let's go all the way back. Look. Kicking from the 42. Right there. 42-yard line. It even said it in my little corner. 72 yards. Look. Going through, going through, going through, going through, going through, and bam. Hits the camera. I hate that camera, by the way, because I tried so many times to do this. And then, alright, it leaves the screen. Let me zoom out. So, alright, bam. Let me go zoom out as much as I can. There we go. Now this is good. Look, straight through. Bam. Hits it. Goes down. Look, 42-yard line right there. You see? See where his finger is right there? 42-yard line. It's actually 37-yard line. But look at that. Bing. World record attempt, baby. No special things are on at all. Bam, baby. This is freaking crazy. Alright.